Finished harvest is a relief in many ways. You're glad to get the work done. The bittersweet because you're happy it's over, but yet you're going to miss the harvest and what we do. I'm a third generation farmer, and we have pretty well 4 full-time hired people, and we farm 6,000 acres. That number of acres is managed pretty well by 6 full-time employees. If you go back to my younger days, I remember far less acres being managed with a lot more labor. The amount of work we can get done with the size and the efficiency of equipment today has really changed. I think back years ago when I was young delivering grain, we harvested with a Massey Ferguson combine, an 860 Massey Ferguson combine, and we thought a big day was 3,500 bushel. Nowadays we harvest with 2 Gleaner S97s, and we can harvest as much as 35,000 bushel in a day. So that's a big change, and it's let us be more efficient and produce more food. I've said many times, the best thing you have going is the people that work around you. And that's the most important, I think, of any business, is the people you surround yourself with. And even in today's world, the technology and the advancement of the equipment, you have to have sharp employees. They have to be on their toes and know what they're doing. And so that's very valuable. lifestyle that we enjoy does include the families, and we're able to take our families with us, and they're a part of the operation, and that means a lot. That's probably one of the neatest things about being in agriculture is the involvement of our families and the ability to teach a work ethic and be close to the soil and understand what goes into producing food for the American people. It's important to all of us to have good, safe food, and it's an honor and a privilege to be a part of that. Along with all the challenges, it's still very, very rewarding.